So with this video, we want to share with you something we do every morning to boost our immune system. To beat a virus, we have to use several strategies. Sophie, any thoughts?
Yes, that's quite important, especially now with the COVID-19 pandemic. Besides following the social distancing recommendations, we should make our body soldiers ready for the fight, just in case.
Correct. We need to prepare our immune system in case we have to face the virus ourselves.
As a healthcare professionals in the hospital, we have been in contact with different types of viruses.
Yes, COVID-19 is one of the several coronaviruses. We can check for at least 4 other types of coronavirus in the respiratory PCR, a test where your nose gets a swab.
Once I got exposed to a non-COVID-19 coronavirus without protection. Have you?
Yes, me too. That is why we do this every morning to stay strong and boost our immune system. We would like to share with you our recipe today. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Good, it has no side effects. It's pretty simple and easy. It takes less than 5 minutes to make.
The bad is that it takes time to get used to the flavor. You see, we have some garlic here. And it needs discipline to do it every day.
So, what do we have here? We have vinegar, we have the garlic, the lemon, the ginger, and the turmeric.
Yes.
And of course, the boiling water.
So we have warm water.
I'm gonna get the garlic here. We usually get 1 clove of garlic for each person. Just 1 clove.
And me, I'm doing the turmeric part. It's usually better to get it natural. You can even plant it in your house. So usually what I do is I just go 3 pieces. 3 pieces of the ginger, same way. How's that going?
So me, I'm just peeling this garlic. So these are big cloves of garlic I got here for each of us. A lot of garlic, a lot of immune system booster in it. Each of this big garlic clove.
Yes.
So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna cut this into pieces, and to make it small, like cube-like, and it can be 1 each.
That's perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some water here. And the third ingredient for this preparation is the lemon. So if I can have it here.
So the lemon, we just half it. Okay. So this device here is something to squeeze the lemon, so we get a lot of juice out of it.
If you can fit it.
Yeah.
So I got some lemon there. Got some lemon here. So I'm ready with my part. How about you?
Yeah, it is ready.
Okay.
So this is Sophie's
Let's
part.
get the-
This is my part.
Not easy to get used to this flavor, but you'll get it. You get easy.
Yeah.
You get used to it. And then when you see the health benefits, you're gonna be like, no, I take it every morning. I think this is yours, yeah.
Okay. So cheers, hold on. Cheers. Cheers.
We have some water here.
Very good.
It's better when you're done.
Water helps a lot. Yeah, it feels like
Let's do the
little burning.
This is the vinegar. At the beginning, we used to put vinegar with some water.
It's leaking. Just apple cider vinegar.
Then you get used to it. Then you don't need the water anymore. You can also have normal water handy,
good.
so you can drink it. Now we have the preparation. Cheers!
Cheers. Turmeric with the ginger.
And the lemon. This one is a taste that you can get used to easier than
pretty
the
good.
other one. Yeah.
Sometimes we let it sit a few minutes. Get more.
So it gets more like a tea because
Yeah,
the water
tea.
gets the flavor of the turmeric and the ginger with lemon.
Yeah.